Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and we're doing a second episode of Square Bodies. So it wasn't going to be Square Body Saturday, but I did do a Square Body Saturday. It was on the new dualies from M2. So now we're going to go with our original plan, this K5 Blazer, which this one I really dig. And it is a very sweet truck. I've had it out already, as I pointed out yesterday. In the dually video, you could see it in the display case. So let's go ahead and get him out of the package. But this package is actually pretty cool too. It has like your limited edition. It's 13,200 pieces, Chevrolet bow tie, the K5 Blazer. It looks like the emblem that goes on the fenders of these trucks. And then on the back of the Blazer, or the back side of the Blazer, says Cheyenne, which is pretty cool with that emblem. And it does come in an acrylic display case. And then if you flip it over, it has pretty much the same kind of thing, except it tells you where to find M2 online, and it has your UPC code, and it has all your licensing and stuff like that. So let's get him open, and I've already opened it like a door on the back side, so we can get him out and take a look at him. And here he is. And this has one of those weird display cases too, that's kind of like the driver's series base, but it has the acrylic top. So using the cheaper base with the acrylic top on this one. And it usually has a rubber band holding the top down, but I removed it. So the roof is removable. The roof is made of plastic. This one has a chrome cage in it with black interior, blue paint. I thought this was going to be more like a two-tone look, kind of like the Silverado, well, not Silverado, but the Sierra that we did, the green and white one with the white insert sides, but this one just has the white top, which is still okay. And this one is not like the Dinty Moore. Unfortunately, this one does not have an opening hood. That I was a little disappointed in, but then again, sometimes I'm happy because with M2, it's hit or miss with their opening parts. So yeah, I'm kind of glad it doesn't have it in a way. And flipping them around to the front side, has a really, really nicely detailed grille with the bow tie, your headlights, your marker lights, the chrome bumpers. And this one has a different style wheel than the Sierra had, but still very nice. White leather tires, and looks very, very sweet. Detailed door handles, side molding, fender badges, and then your gas tank there. I believe that's what that is. No, I'm sorry. That is your just rear quarter emblems, I guess, or, well, it's not bedside, but I guess rear quarter emblems. Then you have red acrylic taillight lenses, detailed tailgate panel, and handle and such, chrome bumper, and does have the metal base. And same thing rolls very nice. I will try to get him off for you guys quickly, so you can see. But yeah, this I just kind of threw back on there. I got to take it back off anyways to put back in the display case. So we'll go ahead and get him off, and I'll show you that piece. It's kind of like that, not an insert, but a piece that they put on there because of the drive shafts. It kind of throws those off a little bit, so they're not centered, so they're kind of catty cornered. So to make the hole centered for the base of the display case, they have to put this piece on there. So yeah, it just has two screws in it. So these are a little bit more work to take them out of the display case than most vehicles, because you have 4 screws instead of just 2. So as you can see, it has a very, very nicely detailed base. You have your drive shafts, your floating like axle housings and such, where you can see through and through. They're very cool. The metal leaf springs, which gives it some durability. And as I said, the thing rolls fairly nice. This one doesn't roll as nice as the Sierra, and is one of the dualies. As I mentioned, that dually, the Sprite one that I had out the other day, that thing rolls gorgeous. One of the best rollers from M2 I've ever had, and I would have thought it would have been on the contrary. Same thing with the Sierra. This one has a slight wobble, but not much. Man, it's very nice for an M2. Actually, for any of the high-end stuff with the push-on, pressed-on wheels, not through the wheel with the mushroom tip like Hot Wheels. Those usually never bend. It's these pressed-on ones that usually bend. This one is probably slightly bent, but not bad at all. So yeah, very happy with this vehicle. Happy to add it to my display case and such. So anyways, guys, that's about it. We'll be back again on Monday, so tomorrow, and we will do a Mopar Monday. I have a RLC vehicle we'll be unboxing for our Mopar Monday too. So that's what we'll be doing, so make sure you tune back in for that. And then I'm not sure what else we have in store next week, but we'll probably have a lot of stuff. I know I want to do a Wagon Wednesday, so we know we'll have a Mopar Monday as usual. We'll have our Wagon Wednesday, and we'll have a Free It Friday. But I'm not sure next weekend if I'll even have a Square Body for Square Body Saturday. So we'll find out. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Memorial Day, and I will see you tomorrow evening.